Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is the weekend, so nothing else open, which is beautiful. It makes it easy for us. We're going to check out the technicals on Bitcoin, technicals on Ethereum, where I would open trades. I do think Bitcoin has started the next Elliott wave impulses up. So we've got 5-wave count going up according to Elliott waves. Elliott waves are amazing because it teaches you to see the patterns that usually it follows an Elliott wave impulse. So first impulse, second to third corrective wave, second to third corrective wave being the highest, fourth to fifth being a correction, and then ABC correction down. I'm going to show you that. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into and the market Intel was up 9% yesterday. SUI 7% today, IDEX 4%, FXS 3.6%, Meta 3%, Uniswap 2.6%, Doge 2.45%, BNB 1.56%, MCRT 1%, Bitcoin almost 1%, 34,200. And I found something interesting on Bitcoin on the longer term time frame. I've got the target for the bull market. So you can see this is going back to 2017, even earlier, from the beginning of Bitcoin all the way to 2012. And you can see Bitcoin has gone off on this kind of channel, this being the bottom of the channel and this being the top of the channel. And you can see here the top of the channel was 69k, and then we've got this correction down. Now, if we follow this pattern on Bitcoin, you can see we bounced off this trend line. The target will, and I called the bottom, by the way, here down here at 16k. The target of this upward movement is going to be $100,000 per Bitcoin. $100,000 per Bitcoin, which is, I think, where we're going. Let's go closer time frames. So on the weekly, we're getting this bounce. You can see my Elliott wave count as we're moving up. Let me clear some of these charts because just too many lines. Okay, we keep it as is. But you can see my Elliott wave count, and you can see this is the Elliott wave with ABC correction count that we finished already. And now you can see we've started the first impulse of the new Elliott wave count here, which is beautiful. And you can see Bitcoin, when we go closer, is bull flagging. It's just moved sideways, but it's still, or actually, let's see what pattern is creating now. Broke the downtrend, but it didn't really break out much. But it's already out of this bull flag. You can see here this bullish flag. You've got pole and then flag and builds pressure in here and then breaks out. So I still think Bitcoin is going, and we're going to go the distance of this pole, which should be around this distance here, taking us to 38,000. That would be the target. So if you haven't opened a trade yet, I would go for it. 4 hour looks like it's heading up, hourly looks like it's heading up, volume is a bit lower, but you can see we had this V-shaped drop and then recovery. Would have liquidated a lot of people, that drop. But I think going long here would be the best move from support. Stop loss under the daily and take profit 38,000. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Risk to reward is 20 times. Risking $196 to make $3,921 without leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $39,000. 100x leverage, $390,000 profit. So again, without leverage, you're risking $196 to make $3,900. Nowhere else in the world can you risk $390 to make $4,000. Sorry, $196 to make $3,900. And with 10x leverage, it's $39,000. 100x leverage, $320,000. $390,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, opening at 34,068, this gray line. Stop loss 33,000 under this daily support, 33,897. Take profit 37,989. That's a trade I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin like you're seeing me do under the videos, under the description of the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit. You get a $30,000 bonus when you sign up using that link. Sign up to OKX by the end of the month, the next 2 days, to go into $70,000 of prizes, and take the course to get the bots, the crypto master course, and learn how I'm trading. And I'm going to set this trade over on OKX. So I'm actually going to set this trade right now. So you can see in here, in this account, this $10,000 account, and I'm going to set this move. I want to try and catch this move on Bitcoin. I had set an isolated trade on OKX, but it didn't execute, and then I'm going to show you my buy order. So now I'm going to set this trade that I just set up here. So it's opening at 34,068. Wait, let it load. 34,068. 34,068. I'm going to do $1,000 with 20x leverage, so it'll become a $20,000 trade. Take profit is going to be at 38,000 and stop loss 33,897. 38,000 and 38,000 will be take profit, and 33,897 will be the stop loss. $1,000 trade. So it's 0.2 Bitcoin, 34,185 will open. No, it was meant to open at 33,900, but I'm going to edit this. Confirm. So it's isolated amount 679. It's going to be 38,000 US isolated trade, 20x leverage. Confirm. That trade is now set on Bitcoin and ready to execute. It will open at 33,897. 33. Yeah, that's where the trade will open. So that's my Bitcoin trade. I'm just going to leave it on Bitcoin today. And also over on Bybit, my Bitcoin trade, $6,700 in the profits, 45%. This trade is a $233,000 Bitcoin trade. In this account, I have $362,970. It's up around $3,300 today. I've got 80,000 USD, $71,000 worth of Bitcoin. Uniswap, $34,000, up 1%. Doge, I've got 34,000, down 2%. FXS, I've got up 4%, $25,000 of FXS. MCRT, $25,000, up 2%. And that's what I'm holding. And again, in this account, 363,000 now, which is beautiful. You can see the price fluctuating on my account. That's my trade on Bitcoin. Okay, I'll quickly do Ethereum just to see where I would open the trades for today. Ethereum, because it is the weekend. Bull flag on Ethereum also. I'm seeing a bull flag. This is still a safe place to take the trade at 1677. Stop loss at 1632. Take profit 2264. Risk reward 12 times. Risking $45 to make $586 without leverage. 10x leverage $5,860. Those are my updates on the market, everyone. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let me know in the comments section of any tickers you want me to analyze. And if you've been following me in this journey, keep practicing, studying, learning. If you're skeptical, watch my videos. I predicted the top of Bitcoin 21 on November 11th, 2021. I predicted the bottom, and I sold the top, bought the bottom, and now we're riding it up, which is beautiful. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.